In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Canva email templates for Klaviyo. We'll set up a reusable email template in Klaviyo, bring in your Canva visuals, and send yourself a quick test so you can see exactly how it will look in the inbox. Start by opening Klaviyo and heading to the dashboard. From the main navigation, go to Content, then Templates. This is where all of your reusable designs live. Click Create to start a new one. Choose email as the format. Give your template a clear, descriptive name you'll recognize later, something like newsletter base or promo with hero, and then click Create again to jump into the editor. Inside the editor, add your first visual by selecting the image block. You can drag and drop a file straight into the slot or click to browse. If your artwork was designed in Canva, export it as a high-quality PNG or JPG and keep the file size efficient for faster loading. Next, open the image library. Choose Upload Image to bring your file into Klaviyo. If you're prompted to return to the library, just click Image Library again, and for now, choose Upload Image to get something on the canvas quickly. When your image finishes uploading, click Select to place it into the block. A few quick tips while you're here. Add alt text to describe the image for accessibility, keep hero images around 1200 pixels wide, and aim for files under 1 megabyte so your email loads fast on mobile. You can also link the image to a landing page in the block settings if it's a promo. When you're happy with the starter layout, it's time to check how it renders in the inbox. Click Preview and Test. From here, you can send a preview using a profile to see dynamic fields as a real subscriber would. Add your email address so the test lands in your inbox, then click Done. Open the test on both desktop and your phone to verify spacing, image quality, and links. If anything looks off, hop back to the editor, adjust the image or spacing, and repeat the preview. That's it. You now have a Klaviyo email template populated with your Canva design ready to reuse for campaigns and flows. Build out additional sections in the same way, text, buttons, and dividers, and your brand consistent emails will be just a few clicks away every time.